If you want to help do something for the planet and be eco, this is one thing that you can do for free. Find bits of land you can plant plants on and bring biodiversity, rather than it just being just plain grass and not very much growing. Now we've got tansy, lemon balm, raspberries, fennel, mint, oregano, more currants, lavender, strawberries, blackberry, thornless crab, blackberry, potatoes, onions, Jerusalem artichokes, sage, lemon balm, gooseberries, rocket. And with this comes biodiversity, wildlife, mycelium, because we do no-dig. We do mulching, and we're all doing it gift economy, aren't we? And as we're doing so, being offered some dumplings. We've just been given a table. We've been donated some beans from Franchi Seeds. It's amazing when you start giving and giving for free, people give you things for free. And we're so happy that Franchi Seeds did that. I heard you saying some wonderful things about the free store. What does it mean to you? Or
coming here? Oh, it's a great morning out. It's very inexpensive. You're meeting people. You can look around and take some lovely stuff home. And it's all free, so you can't go wrong.
wonderful. And what kind of, has there been anything useful that you've got from the free store?
Oh, yes, I've had plants, books, mainly plants I'm interested in. But there's books and there's everything. There's a bit of everything actually.
Oh, that's really great. And do you think it'd be beneficial to have more of these?
More often. I know it's every second week in the month. If we could have more, that would be good. But it's where to hold them. That's
the thing, isn't it?
Problem.
Yeah. Oh, lovely. And if there's one thing that if people were thinking about coming to a free store, what would you say to them?
Come and have a cup of tea and some cake. And meet people and have a nice look around, and if it's a nice day, it's a beautiful morning out.
Incredible Edible Wrecsam store giving lots of plants away for free. So we got dog rose, we've got elder, crab apple, lemon balm, jostaberry, goji berry, raspberries, pomegranates, blackcurrant, currants, squashes. We're here at Mount Street and we're waiting for the Wales in Bloom judges. We didn't really enter, but the council contacted us and said we would like to come visit the site with the Wales in Bloom judges, and I think the site is looking absolutely gorgeous. I can't take any credit, but look at this. What have we got? We've got Jerusalem artichokes, we've got strawberries, we've got lemon balm, we've got gooseberries, we've got Paulina's. Got Mark here. We've got lovely raspberries here, which people are moon picking, which is wonderful. So we just had the Wales in Bloom judges, and what did they say?
We amazing.
Yes, we are. Basically, that is what they said. The chairman said, he said, oh, just to let you know, the chairman in the Wales in Bloom said you're remarkable, said you're amazing. So, yeah, so hopefully we might have won the Wales in Bloom again this year.
Yeah.
They loved it, didn't they? They loved it. So let's see. Watch this space. Into Plas Benton, a free plant swap.
Got
some workshops. It'd be amazing.
It's as possible.
Yeah. And then we've been to Repair Cafe.
Which is quite a nice.
And now we're at Broom Grove to plant some fruit bushes. We're digging holes basically, aren't we? To put in some fruit bushes. Here we go, plant some strawberries.
Looks like it's the top one.
So we're in the honey and horticulture tent today, and there's quite a lot of floral displays. I'll show you here. And there's already been a judging competition. Beautiful. Some of the displays over here. Brilliant. And here's our community stand over here, fluid. So there's a lady selling blankets over here to raise money for charity. Hiya. And then we've got the Clwyd plum that only grows in Clwyd. And there's a fan blowing everything around. And then we've got Incredible Edible over here where we're potting with kids. And of course, we've got the courgette and we'll alternate things. Got a video going. All fabulous. We're here at the Rowell show today with Catherine, Incredible Edible Wrecsam, helping out, and we have a stall here with a video about Incredible Edible, and we've also got some area for potting some plants here which we're giving away for free, and encouraging people to plant their own growing their own fresh fruit vegetables.
Yeah, they've donated to people who like Incredible Edible Wrecsam, creating well house, some sweet chestnuts, currants, blackberries, we've had tomatoes donated, mint donated, now we're just giving them away. People to grow them own,
Yeah, fantastic. And here we've got this courgette now, right?
Yes, yeah.
Yeah, we've got that started growing. This one about future meetings.
So yeah, it's just all about, encouraging that growing at home, in our gardens, and in the places we want town centres.
And what's the response been so far?
Incredibly positive. It's great, we've had some kids doing the potting, and a lot of people have written what the gardening means to them on the tree, really.
It's been lovely. A lot of gardeners here.
Yes. So said gardening means me time to enjoy the peace and quiet, time to enjoy my large garden, and also I go to a place to relax, a thinking time, a place where you solve chores, which is beautiful, really. So we're looking forward to a day where we can interact more with goes on. We've got our work cut out because of the weather, but I think people should manage to make work. And we're here Tuesday and Wednesday.
It can be so easy to bring little bits of eco into your life. I'm far from 100% eco, or just do little things that are easy to do. This one I was very excited about. I don't know why all sellotapes aren't just made to be like this. This is eco, plastic-free sellotape. You can avoid using sellotape, brilliant, but if you need to use it, you can now get eco sellotape.
Nursery is run on gift economy lines, so give and take lines, so just come, it's a community resource, and so everybody's socially included. It's the only way you're going to get 100% social inclusion, if it's free and moneyless. That's why the NHS, that's why we've got libraries, that's why we've got basic education system, that's why all kids in the countries have got play parks. Free, because otherwise some would be excluded, wouldn't they? So if you want everybody totally included, full social inclusion, it's got to be free.
My name's Hassan Mzali. I'm one of the coordinators for Incredible Edible Wrecsam.
So I'm Katie, I'm one of the coordinators working with the council and other organisations to help change wasteland into growing food land. Incredible Edible Wrecsam is basically a group of individuals in a formal network of people growing food for the local communities, in the local communities.
We are open to the public, and anything we plant, anything we grow is open for anybody to come and take.
And the people involved in the project get quite a lot of things out of it, it seems. I've had lots of nice feedback. Some of it obviously is the free food, but it seems to be more than that. It seems to be doing something for the community, improving the environment. We're working with each other.
My name's Harry. So the main benefits for me from the project, apart from this bunch of purple sprouting broccoli I have in my pocket, I love the fact that it makes people aware of the possibility of gardening in the town centre. You know, we had a guy come down here last year who said he had to shoplift every day for food. You know, and it's crazy that we have all of this green space available and it's not used.
The area on Madeira Hill was particularly wasteland. When I approached the council to do it, they looked at it and said, well, you can't make it any worse. So they let us do it, and it was true, we couldn't make it any worse, and we have made it better. And yeah, it's been great, just people walking past and joining in and helping out.
I think because of the project being pretty new in our area, that we're still starting to see the impact, but there definitely is. More and more people are interested, more and more people want to take part and get involved, especially when we're doing the tree planting. We usually get a big crowd.
I love that people are just happy to join in and to take the food as well. You know, we take photos and we put it on the website and things like that. I even took photos where people had cut off a cauliflower or cut off some Brussels sprouts, because I was just so happy that people were harvesting. One of the projects we visited today, Gwenro Valley CIC approached us and asked if we wanted to do any work there, and that's just a great project, the adventure playground, where kids are quite empowered there to do all kinds of creative things.
I believe community food growing projects are really important.
Reducing food miles, helping with climate change, bringing the food close to home, making the place look lovely.
Getting people back onto the land. These kinds of small gardens, they're so productive, and you can generate so much food from a small space.
Community is the basis of all security for food production, I believe, because growing food en masse and exporting it around the world isn't a solution. There's a lot of resources that are being wasted, and we have loads of spaces all over the place in every town centre that are not being really used, and think more can be done everywhere, all over the place really. Right now, food security in Wales is pretty dangerous, I'd say. Like again, everything is based on fossil fuels. Everything is based on mass food production and on importing and exporting foods travelling all across the globe. And we need to really revert back to local economies, local food growing, and getting communities more involved. And that's how we're going to find food security.
I think it's about taking responsibility for our own needs.
In Broomgrove Garden today, lots of people volunteering. So here food is being grown for free for people to harvest. Amazing, we've got so many volunteers here today, but it's really clear that we need more volunteers here. It's an amazing community resource for anybody that loves growing food, maybe hasn't got a garden or for growing food with other people. It's an amazing resource. Look at these beds, but they need help. They need more volunteers. And in return for volunteering, you get free food. Some examples of what's here. Look, there's Howard Marks' book, so Transformer. See these? Oh, Athlete Tourist. I just loved that toy castle.
You could keep it.
So I found this. This is really cool. What's the price tell? Oh yeah, like that. Brilliant. This one. No. And then I like all the plants. Oh, right. Lots of plants.
I found these.